Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. If you are an old subscriber, a new subscriber, just passing by, welcome. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of your support. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be a Chanel Beauty unboxing, unbagging, I don't know. But yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. I did an unboxing, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, a month ago, I don't know, of some Chanel products that I got, and I went back for more because the wonderful sales associate that helped me there sent me tons of samples of things that I had tried on in the store, and I went back to purchase some of those because they worked wonderfully. So let's get into it. I first want to start off really quick though by saying I hope you can see my lovely jewelry from Glamour Jewelry Box. I did a video on that. I will link that for you, and this gorgeous bracelet. I mean, it's so stunning. I'm in love with it. And I love this long necklace too. So wanted to include that. Okay guys, so let's get started. I got it at Saks. She gave me another one of these awesome tote bags. I'll probably gift that one maybe to my mom or something as an extra little work bag. She also gave me this faux sills, and this is like the base for your mascara. She gave me a mascara last time and it really, I loved it, but I wanted to try it with the base too because that's what she had originally put on me. So I was excited. She gave me 2 samples of these. I used it today, but it's hard to tell with my glasses on. So she also gave me the Chanel No. 5 perfume sample, which I probably have smelled this before in the past, but I don't remember what it smells like. And I normally wear my Chanel Chance or my Gucci Guilty. I have tons of other perfumes, but I have a tray of women's and men's perfumes in our guest bathroom. So if anyone wants to freshen up while they're here, they can do that. She gave me some other samples too, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna start with the biggest thing I see here. So let's open it up. She wrapped it up nicely in this, and it comes in a box like this. And what it is, it's the Lift anti-wrinkle cream. This is a light, really light cream. She gave me tons of samples of it. If you're interested in watching that video of what I got last time, I'll link it up above. But this is heaven on my skin. My skin, depending on the weather, in the winter, I'm really, really dry. In the summer, I get oily. And I even can get oily in the winter based on what I have on my face. This has been awesome because I put this on as my base and it really keeps me pretty matte all day. So, love the little Chanel black box. And I'll just open it up. It comes with a little scoop so you don't have to put your finger in there. Comes with a little instruction booklet, and then it comes in a pot like this. I'll open it up just so you can see what it looks like, and it does have a lid over it, but it's just like a really light creamy lotion. I absolutely love it. And you guys know I have been a Bobbi Brown addict, but when I went in there, she was like, it's not necessarily that those products aren't right. It could be that they're just more for your summer skin and not your winter skin. You might need to have to mix things up during the season. So excited, super, super, super excited about this. If I could get it to close. Can't wait to start using this. I used up every sample I had, so I had to run in there and get that. Let's see what else we have. So in this little tissue, she put, more samples. I love this. This is the Lift for your eyes. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that with my lighting. But anyways, it's Lift Anti-Wrinkles Eye Concentrating Serum, and it is so good. She gave me some last time, and I still have a tiny bit left of that. She also gave me the serum that goes with that lotion, so I can use that with it as well and see how that works out. 2 of the serums, and then another of the eye. So I'm super excited about that because I love samples, because I truly will use them and see if it works before I go out and spend money on it. So the last couple things in here are, I got another Rouge Cocoa Bomb. This is just like a clear hydrating stick and it is wonderful. It's beautifully packaged. I'm not going to open it because this is a gift, but I bought one last time, so if you want to see it, just check that link. I'll try to link it down below as well in the description box. And then I got this Rouge Double Intense. It's a lip color and it's ultra long wear. It's a 2-piece. I got it in 69 Tender Beige, and I will put it on for you guys because it is really gorgeous and I love how you use it. So it comes like this. It's two-sided. You put the color on first and then you put this like glossy type stuff over top. So you put that on, and I wanted something really nude, really close to the color of my actual lips. And then you open this side and it's just a clear gloss. So this gets matte once it's like, it's already starting to get a little matte. And then you just put the gloss on over it. And I just think it's super, super pretty. I hadn't tried this before. The last one I got was like more of it was a semi-matte. And I wanted something a little bit more glossy, and I put this on at the store and it was still on when I got home. I mean, I shopped all day, so it was still on when I got home. It was wonderful. So, and I just think it's a good nude for me. Like, it's really, with my skin tone, it's hard to get a nude. So that's the other thing I grabbed. I hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll tune into my next video. And until then, I'll see you next time. This is Kylie. Bye.